Hello YouTube, how are we doing and how is our trading week? And welcome again to another checking charts. Okay, another episode of checking charts where I get to share my screen and I show you guys the trades that I take the previous week, and also show you guys my anticipation for next week and what I am looking out for next week. Okay, so I can be able to capitalize on those opportunities, and so as well you can also be able to keep eyes on the pair and know when to strike when your criteria are met. Okay, and then if this is your first time coming across this channel, do well to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to see you in the video. And yes guys, welcome to my screen. Okay, so this week was a great week. Okay, I was able to make 3% this week. I was able to cover, or I would say I was able to reduce the losing streak that I've been for the past 1 month. Took my first winning trade after 7 consecutive losses, so at least now I'm down around 4%, so I need 4% to go back to break even. All right, so quickly I'm going to share the trade itself and why I took the trade. So let's go to my daily time frame. On my daily time frame, prior to what is happening now, okay, we're in a bullish order flow, okay, making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, it was when price retraced to my discounted level that I went to the 2-hour time frame to wait for a buy setup. Okay, so if you watched my video last week, okay, I was anticipating these highs to get taken out. I think these highs, I was anticipating these highs to get taken out and get EMA cross, then look for my entry criteria and whatsoever. Okay, so you can see right here we broke structure, but I was not able to get any entry right here because by this candle, normally I come to the market anywhere from 7, 8, okay, but I couldn't maximize this. Okay, I couldn't maximize this opportunity, so I had to wait again for another break of structure, which we had here. So I took my fib from swing low to swing high. You can see we retested the 38.2 level. We retested it perfectly. Okay, so as soon as I saw this price playing around this zone here, I was already thinking in my head buys. But when I came late, I was not able to get into this candle. So when I saw this bearish candle, I still was able to get in the trade somewhere around here. Usually like this, yes. Then I use 50 pips stop loss, then targeting 1:3. This was the trade. Okay, simple and not too much work to do. Okay, just following the rules, following the plan, and doing what I say that I want to do. And as you all know, I usually do my trade journal. Sorry for the network issues. I usually do my trade journal. I do screenshotting. I take the link and I just paste it, just something like screenshotting, something like that. So on my Telegram I usually do that. Okay, this way I just like put down my trades before and after. Okay, and if we go over to maybe the beginning of this month, May, you will see loss SL, okay, SL, around 7 losses in a row. Okay, that's from last month to this month. Okay, you will see that's last month I took around 4 losses, then beginning of this month I took around 3 losses, then I was able to bank this is the before, all right, and this is the after. So still a good month, no losses so far this month, break even month for me. It is a good, a good thing for me. At least I did not lose money. I have capital to trade with. That is one thing every trader is looking out for. Okay, preserving our capital. Okay, protecting our capital. That is what we are always aiming for. All right. So this is the before, and this is the after. I really hope this month is going to, give me good opportunities for me to capitalize on. So at least I can be able to get my first payout. All right. So I can be able to get my first payout. And so what's my outlook for next week? Okay, quickly let me clean all this. Let me take this stuff off. Now let's go over to the daily time frame and let's analyze what's happening. Okay, I am still very much bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, because why? First, you can see we are still in that bullish order flow. Okay, now let me take my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. That is one. We are in that bullish order flow. That is one. Two, you can see we retested my EMA cloud. Okay, that's what is happening here. Let me use this circle for you guys to see. Yes, right here you can see my EMA has retested the price has retested my EMA. Okay, that's number two. Now let's go down to the 2 hour time frame. Number three reason why I'm still looking for buys, you can see how price tapped into our 200 moving average. Okay, and as we all know, the higher time frame, all right, as we always use higher time frame being stronger than lower time frame. For instance, the daily time frame is stronger than the 1 hour time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, and any time frame lower than the daily time frame. Daily time frame is always stronger than that. Same with this EMA. Okay, same with the 100 moving average, 50 exponential moving average. Okay, the 200 moving average is what is like one of the main numbers traders are looking at, as they normally use 200 moving average a lot more. Okay, and it is a strong a level that is somehow or sometimes used as resistance. Okay, and you can see the price tapped into our 200 moving average. Okay, so this is number three reason why I'm still very much bullish. Number four, you can see those who do supply and demand whatnot whatsoever. All right, you can see that price has tapped into this demand and it has rejected. That is number four, I guess. Then those who even trade break and retest and all that, you can see so many confluence that is telling me that we are still bullish regardless of what's happening. Okay, and last but not least, my Fibonacci swing low to swing high, you can see how we are rejecting from this discounted level. Okay, so I am still anticipating buys from next week. Okay, although price nobody knows where price is going to go next, so we just try to capitalize on whatsoever that we see. So as I'm going to get a break out just like this next week, that's if I see a breakout, then maybe retesting my cloud EMA, then I don't mind looking for buys. Only when I'm going to be looking for certain opportunities is if we can break and form a lower high, then I can be able to capitalize on whatever candle I get here, then drive price downward. So this is just like my anticipation for next week. Although we can do our own, the market always do what it wants to do. No trader, I repeat, no trader knows what next is going to happen in the market. All right, so this is all I have, okay, for checking charts this week, and I hope this week is going to produce good results for me and for you also, guys. And I'm going to see you next week. Okay, just follow your rules, follow your plans, and watch your success. So I'm going to see you next week on checking charts. Have a nice weekend, guys. And yes, guys, thank you for staying through. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your like, thank you for your shares, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Okay, and I want to say thank you to those who are subscribed and to those who are just subscribing. Okay, so thank you so much. And this week was a great week. I was able to make around 3%. Okay, I've been able to reduce my drawdown from 7% to 4% now. Okay, because I took 7 losses in a row. I think 4 losses in a row last month, and beginning of this month I took around 3 losses as well, and I was able to bank 3% this week. So basically this month of May I did not make money, I did not lose money, I was kind of break even, which is also good, which is very very good. Okay, in my opinion, as long as I did not lose my capital. Okay, that's the main thing. Okay, as long as you are able to preserve your capital. Okay, capital preservation is the main thing, is the main goal here. All right. I was able also to uh, move closer to at least the aim of achieving my first payout. Okay, so that's what I'm just like pushing forward right now, to get my first payout. That is what I am pushing for right now. Okay, so for those guys out there who are going through losing streaks and all that, you just have to keep pushing. All right, it's not going to be easy, but you just have to be strong. Keep trading the way you're trading, don't change anything, don't tweak anything. Okay, it's going to be all right. All right, I'm not saying this because maybe I have 100% certainty that I know what I'm doing, or I'm very sure that this trade is not going to lose. No, it's not that. Okay, it's just that I just do it regardless. I just press the buy, just press the sell regardless. That's just what I do. It's not as if I am more knowledgeable than you out there. Okay, it's not that I know how to do this thing more than you. It's just that I am resilient. Okay, I keep pushing no matter the hurdles, no matter the setback. I just keep pushing. Okay, do I know if I'm going to lose this account? I don't know. Do I know if I'm going to get the payout? I don't know, but I hope to get a payout, and I am pushing and looking forward to that day I'm going to get my first ever payout. Okay, so I'm here to encourage you guys, don't quit. All right, doesn't make sense. Don't quit. Yeah, you're going through losing streaks. Yeah, you're going through some kind of trading hardships and all that. Yeah, I understand. I've been there. I understand. I know what it is. I feel your pain, but just keep going. That's just the main thing. That's just it. Just keep going. When the losses will come, nobody knows. When the wins will come, nobody knows. It's not like we have that magic ball that tells us when to buy, or that tells us when to sell. No, we are just like you. We all started like you. Just keep going. The main goal now is don't give up. That's just the main thing. Don't give up. Don't give up. Once you give up, you have lost. The main thing here is not give up. Cheers, guys.